Good morning, traders! FreeTradingVideos.com Breakout Trader. We got a pretty good start to the morning here. We do have CPI coming out. PPI, Producer Price Index. Big report coming out in just a few minutes. But prior to that report, we can see S&P up 10 points, up 1.3%. So that's a pretty good start to the day. Dow's up 71.95%, so nearly a percent. This is a little concerning to me. Is the Nasdaq's up 9.25%, but it's only up 0.75%. I'd really like to see the Nasdaq leading the S&P, not the other way around. This is looking good for us. Commodities are up, which means we got pressure on the U.S. dollar. So we got oil up, basically about $1.25, $1.28 across we got both contracts up here, the March and the April, because they've been very, very different lately. So I'm monitoring both. We've got the March gasoline is up 2 pennies, up to $1.08. So this is looking good, $1.08, which means we should be dropping at the pump. We'll be seeing that over the next couple of days. Gold is up 2 points right now. Okay, when we look at the gold ETF, it is currently down. Let's just throw that in there, because this is going to take into account right across the board all the future contracts, not just the front month. So we can see that gold ETF is down 0.65%, where the front month is actually up. So this is what we were talking about last night that we'd like to see take place. Now we're just going to get through this producer price index. If that producer price index is coming out of consensus, or basically coming out of consensus, what we need to see, the market will be happy with that. If it's showing inflation, that's going to hurt. And if it's showing dramatic deflation, that's not a good thing either. Okay, we've got, right now, IBM is down, Chevron is up, and Exxon is down. And early in the day, before we can make too much assumptions about those. So here we are. This is a daily chart of the S&P futures. And we can see yesterday's candle right here. We did close below the previous day's low on the S&P futures, where the S&P cash is a little bit different picture. But we can see we're getting a nice candle here already this morning. Now this report could dramatically change this. Let's go into a 60-minute here. There's that 60-minute chart. Why does that 60-minute chart look weird? We can see in the 60-minute we got that support resistance area right through here. There's another one coming right up through here at 820. And we got that major support resistance 834 that we've been dealing with for a long time. So we'll see what takes place. Let's go into a 5-minute chart so we can see the reaction to this report. We can see the lows down here in that 777 area. Let's go check this out. That'll be the release of the report. You can see the big volume coming in, and looking pretty good. Looks like the markets can hold these current levels. And now it drops. Down we go. Okay, it's only a point. 788.50, 78.750. We'll see where that market can hold. So the report released to the market was still up 8.5, up over 8 points right now on the S&P, so it's still holding ground. We can see the Nasdaq has very little movement in it. Okay, we're up 9.25 just before the report. We're still up 9.25, still up that 0.75%. So this is looking promising. Nasdaq's holding its ground right now. So if we go back to the chart, okay, we start all the way down. 786.75, and we pop back up. So it looks like this market may be able to hold this. As we go into the close, you'll have to watch this, traders. See where we open. But on the release of the report, looking pretty positive, looking pretty good right now. A couple other reports to look for. We also had jobless claims released at the same time. We got leading indicators 10 o'clock. Philly Fed at 10 o'clock. So 10 o'clock, watch out for the movement in the market, maybe a reversal in the market. Natural gas 10:30, petroleum status at 11. Strange. Short week, that's why. And that is it for the day. Now tomorrow, consumer price index. We've got the CPI report coming out tomorrow morning. Thanks for attending FreeTradingVideos.com. Till tomorrow. Breakout out.